everyone. A cookie jar contains 7 lemon cookies, 3 chocolate chip cookies, and 8 coconut cookies. What is the probability of selecting 2 lemon cookies in succession, providing that the first cookie is picked first and then is replaced before the second is drawn? So we're looking at lemon cookies, and let's draw the first cookie. So for lemon, we have 7 out of, 7 plus 3 plus 8. So that's going to be 7 divided by 18. All right. Now, you put the cookie back because it's replaced. So this is called an independent event because the second event does not depend on the first event. So what we're going to get is you multiply these out and you get 49. 18 times 18 is 324. And that doesn't reduce. So that is your final answer. And that is called an independent event because the denominator didn't change and neither did the numerator. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.